Hey YouTube, it's Daphne. I'm back here again, making one of my amazing songs out of the themes that you guys put down below in the comments, and improvising songs out of them. So first, I have a couple shout outs. One, my older cousin Jake. Two, my friend Kaylin, who is in my class at school. And three is my friend Frozen on Roblox. She loves my videos. I love hers. Awesome. Now, let's get on with the song. Well, flying up above, in the air, you know, the birds are of love. They're like the angels in the sky, swooping really high. They smile at us from below, and they fly around. They love each other. Now the lovebirds up above aren't like the doves. They always greet people with a smile. Every once in a while, they will come down with us and follow us around. They'll come down to the ground. They'll show us the people we're meant to be with, the lovebirds from up above. Whoa, oh, whoa, oh, yeah, oh. The lovebirds from above show us the ones we love, and they are like a dove who is just for love. Sorry if the lyrics weren't really rhyming there, but I was trying. I mean, I do come up with it while I'm singing, so have a good day, and I will see you guys tomorrow for my next vid. Oh, by the way, happy Labor Day! Thanks for watching! Subscribe, comment your themes, and leave a like down below. This video will put a smile on your face.